In this video, I will show you how to add a PayPal button to a website. So first of all we need to do is open your browser and go to paypal.com. Okay, so enter this website and make sure to log into your account. This is a very important step. And after that, all you need to do is come here to your settings. My camera is not showing, so you need to click this on this gear icon here. Enter here. After doing this, you need to come here to seller tools, and here you can see a lot of options you can use. I will select these PayPal buttons. You can create a payment link, shopping cart, buy now, add to cart, donate, smart subscribe, subscribe, and more buttons on your PayPal. I will select this donation button. You can select the one you prefer. I will click on this. After doing this, what you need to do is customize your button. You can create a new button or edit one. I will click here on edit, but you will see the option to create a new button. I will use this as an example. So you can put here your display name. You can also display one logo. You can add an image, and you can also put here your description. So I have one extension called YouTube Shield, and we have this donation button. After that, you can hit continue. You can select the currency. You can select how much do you want donors to give. I put here 5, 25, and 50. You can also select many other options. Okay, you can hit now continue and many other options. After that, all you need to do is click on finish, and now you can preview your link and click here to get your link. You can share this link on your social media, emails, blogs, etc. You can also put a QR code and many other options, but you will want to use many of the times the shareable link. Okay, and that's it. That's how you add a button to another website from PayPal. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tech and PayPal tutorials.